All right, guys, so here we are. So the boat's pretty much done. I figured I'd just give you a 1 year, review, kind of rundown of what I've done so far. So this is 1987 Angler 204, 20-foot center console that we got. Looks a bit different from the first video that I did. As you can tell, it's painted now. It's got a T-top, hardtop, which I'll give you the rundown on all of that. But I also want to do some numbers, should tell you guys some numbers of just about how much I spent on the project, which I feel like I was pretty resourceful, and I did it on a budget. Obviously, I'm in med school. I don't have a lot of money coming in, but I've been able to flip a few boats. So I basically got this boat paid off for free. I only put about $4 grand into it out of pocket, and I flipped about 8 boats this year, 8 center consoles, so it paid for itself. But here you can see the paint I did in the, the Totalboat wet edge in flag blue. I actually sprayed it myself. I still got to do some bottom paint. I might do it, I might not. I really don't care about it. But the boat looks pretty good. I was really fortunate to find, all in, I got the boat in the trailer for $800, sold the old Johnson on it for $400, so all in I was at $400 starting. And then I found this 150 on Facebook Marketplace. Everything I did on this boat was off Facebook Marketplace, except maybe 1 or 2 things that I got really lucky with. So the motor here, 2008 Suzuki 150, I got from Crabber outside of Baltimore for $700. It was running. I got, it'd been posted for about, I want to say 15, 16 weeks on Facebook Marketplace, and no one picked it up. So I offered the guy $700, and he told me to come get it because, he's a crabber. He'd already replaced it, but it was needed a head. It was getting water in the oil, and so yeah, I pulled the head off. It was corroded through the jackets. I've got another video where I kind of went through and showed you that. But the trim tabs got for $400 off of Facebook Marketplace. You can see, go up in the boat. The leaning post here is a Birdsall. Got from a Suzuki dealer that just had it. It's kind of dirty right now, but really, great leaning post, nice and big. My dad's a real big guy. He's about 6'5", 350. So I needed something that was going to be really sturdy. T-top got on Facebook Marketplace with the console here for $400. That was a find. That was a steal. I got that. Had to go down to North Carolina to get it. And then the hardtop I actually made out of a tonneau cover off an F150, a 1996 F150. I got it for $20 off of Facebook Marketplace. 6 by 8 foot fiberglass structure, cover. Which, if anyone knows, these covers go for thousands of dollars. So I made one, just took a jigsaw around the corners, made it shapely. So sorry about the dirt right now, but we were just out yesterday. It's a day after Christmas. But electronics box, I think I paid $120 off of Facebook Marketplace. Let's see, I got really fortunate with the depth finder, fish finder. My guy Cole at Friday's Marine in Saluda, Virginia. If you guys need anything Suzuki related, this guy is a master, and he's an awesome guy. So he really helped me out a great deal. On the top side here, I did the Rustoleum Oyster white topside, right? And for the non-skid, it's a little dirty, but I did the Kiwigrip. So it's about $150 maybe for 4 quarts of it. And yeah, so here's the boat. Engine runs phenomenally. I put that brand new head off of it, brand new head onto it from a 2018. I bolted it right on. All I did was reuse the old camshafts. I got some stuff I still need to finish, like my lights. Still got to just run wiring into the electronics box. Real simple stuff. Just need to get a bus bar or 2. I got some spreader lights up back that I put on. I gotta just finish wiring them up. That's easy stuff. But yeah, So I figured I'd just show you the boat. She's a little dirty. We took her out yesterday. Gotta clean her up. But I'll give you another view from up front. Phenomenal boat, man. I mean, I think I really did it the right way, because I all in, I was at about $4,000, and then I flipped literally like, you know, by the time I'd flipped 2 boats, it paid for itself, you know. So out of pocket, I'm basically at zero. But the boat looks really good, man. I get a lot of compliments, and I mean, it was a lot of hard work. I redid the floor with the, you know, fiberglass resin. I learned a lot in the process. It's, you know, everyone says the best day in a boat owner's life is the day he buys it, the day he sells it. And honestly, I really don't agree with that. You just got to learn how to fix your own stuff. You know, with everything on YouTube nowadays, like, you really have no excuse. Like, I bought a cherry picker, you know, for 50 bucks off Facebook Marketplace, and put the engine on. You know, it was pretty simple. And if you download the manuals, you know, you can pretty much do all this stuff yourself. And that's what I did. Like, I did it, you know, in my afternoons for about 3 months, 30-40 minutes a day. Just you know, little things here and there, electronics box, and you know, you just piece it together so you don't have to spend a fortune and get a really, really nice boat. So I'm thankful. She's been a really good girl. No major issues. I do wish that this Kiwigrip non-skid didn't get so dirty so easily. But outside of that, phenomenal boat. I mean, you can see it. She's sturdy as they come. And you know, this depth finder, fish finder, this thing's older model, but still worth like almost $4,000. And my guy Cole just gave it to me, and you know, so everything I've kind of just like pieced together, little odds and ends that I still need to do. But man, what a phenomenal boat. And yeah, so I'm actually doing another big boat project. But yeah, so I figured I'd just give you guys an update, let you know how it went, and hopefully I inspire some of you guys to take on a project yourself, because it's really not that bad. And I'm smart enough to do it, you're smart enough to do it, and just go ahead and get it done, because it's worth it. Change your life. I'm able to take people out and give experiences, and you know, with good friends and family members that, you know, if I hadn't done the project, I wouldn't have these experiences. So I'm thankful. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And yeah, all right, take care. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all that good stuff. And y'all be safe. Be safe with this COVID stuff going on too. So, you know, wear your mask, that kind of deal. Just, you know, yeah. So stay safe, be well, and be blessed. All right, guys.